Good morning, children. And in the previous class, we studied about the simple past form, right? And we discussed the use of was and were. See, children, you have done all these topics before also with Naveen sir. And this is just a revision, a recap, and a practice session where you are doing it with the help of your book and the exercises, right? Because you all have this book with you and I'm sure you have not done it. So let us revise them and then do them once again, right? So today we are going to discuss about unit 11, that is worked, got and went. Now what are these? These are the verbs second form. Verbs second form means it is the past form. So this is the past form of verb, or you can say we are going to discuss about simple past tense. Right? So when we are framing sentences with simple past tense, what do we do? The general structure of the sentence is subject plus V2. What is V2? Verbs second form, and I'll simply write other words because I am not writing objects, and you know the reason why? Because we are never sure that the sentence will have an object or not, because every sentence doesn't have an object, right? So here we are using the second form of verb, right? So just see, in present tense, simple present tense, we use the first form of the verb, right? And now when we are making simple past, we are going to just change the verb form. हम simple present से simple past में जब करेंगे या simple past का sentence जो बनाएंगे, तो जहाँ पर हमारी present tense की form आ रही थी, वहाँ पे हम past tense की form डाल देंगे, and this is the only difference. Okay, in simple present we were using V1 form, and simple past we are using V2 form. This is the only difference. Just see, they watch television every evening. This is simple present, and in simple past it becomes the second form. They watched, है ना? इसकी जगह we have just put V2 form, and that is the only difference. Nothing else, nothing difficult at all, and you have already done it, I know. So let's see, let's look at the examples that are given and some exercises in short, quickly. Okay, here are some examples given, and as we know that verbs have three forms. First form is present form, second is past, and third is past participle, right? And in short, to make it convenient for us to speak, we can call them as V1, V2 or V3, or verbs first form, verbs second form, and verbs third form. We do it for a convenience, right? So verb first form is the present form, which is also known as the base form, and second form is the past form. The chapter which we are doing, जो अभी कर रहे हैं, उसमें हमें कौन सी form चाहिए? Second form, right? So second form, as they are saying that regular verbs, they are formed with ed, right? Worked, stay, stayed, clean, cleaned, arrive, arrived, start, started, dance, dance. You all know all these forms. So we don't need to give much time to this. Let us scroll and come to this table. Here also they have given many verbs form. So they have given the first form and the second form for many verbs. They are got it? They have not given the third form till now. They have given you only the first form and the second form. You can consult this table if you don't remember. But children, I think it is high time by now you should learn all the three forms of the verbs which are given to you. Okay, so if you have not learned, then it is an alarming situation, because you are filling your exam forms and your exams are soon to be held. So it is better to wake up and start learning these things, because no question of understanding the three forms. Three forms समझने में कुछ नहीं है. You'll have to learn. ये तो learn करने की चीज ही है. रट्टा मारना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर. Okay, तो cram it and learn it by heart. Got? So this is the thing. And now let us look to the exercise of this. I'll just give you a hint and rest you will do. Complete the sentences. Use one of these verbs in the past simple, or we can even call it as simple past. I dash my teeth 3 times a day. The verb given is clean, and they have written the second form of it. Clean means you have to fill the second form of these given words as per the situation. So it was hot in the room, so I dashed the window. What do you do when it is hot? You open. So open is here. What is the second form of open? Opened. So the concert dash at 7:30 and dash at 10 o'clock. It started at 7:30 and finished at 10 o'clock. Same way, fourth, when I was a child, I dashed to be a doctor. So what you can see? Want. I wanted to be a doctor, right? The accident dash last Sunday afternoon. The accident happened last Sunday afternoon. It's a nice day today, but yesterday it is dash all day. It rained all day. Same way, we dash our holiday last year. We dash at a very nice place. We enjoyed our holiday last year. We dash at a very nice place. We stayed at a very nice place. Anne's grandfather dashed when he was 90 years old. So Anne's grandfather died when he was 90 years old. Got it? So you'll have to learn and you can do this. Now write the past forms of these verbs. Children, you all know. So do it yourself. I'm not going to help you with this. So let's come to this exercise. Here also, you have to look at the picture and you have to fill the second form of these verbs, and the options are given there, right? So last Tuesday, Lisa flew from London to Madrid. She get ka second form got up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and so on. So do it yourself. We'll come to quickly to the next chapter. Kar do. It's all, they all know. Bas. Next unit. Now this unit is again related to simple past tense, but this is related to the question sentences, that is the interrogative sentences, and the negative sentences. And as you know, negative sentences means the sentences which are showing negation, na. Okay, and they generally use the words like no, not, never, right, in them. Whereas the question sentences, you all know, question sentences can be framed in 2 ways, right? One with the help of question word, and second way with the help of the helping verb. So when we are framing a question with the helping verb, we put the helping verb in the beginning, and the expected answer is either in yes or no, right? So let us see how we frame these sentences. We use did in simple past negative questions. Now see, there is a very too much of confusion with people. What do? Like they make sentences like I did not knew about it. Right? What do? They say, I did not knew about this. Now this is wrong. How it is wrong? See, did itself is V2 form of do. And a sentence can't have two V2 forms. They can't have two verbs with second form in one sentence here. So when we are using this, then we should not use it in, this is also second form. So this new should become no. So did के संग हमेशा main verb की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आती है, बिकॉज डिड हेल्पिंग वर्ब है यहाँ पे, इट इज वर्किंग एज हेल्पिंग वर्ब, लेकिन उस हेल्पिंग वर्ब का हमने सेकेंड फॉर्म लिया है क्योंकि ये सिंपल पास्ट का सेंटेंस है. तो अगर हमने यहाँ डिड ले लिया है तो हम यहाँ V2 नहीं ले सकते, हमें यहाँ V1 फॉर्म दैट इज प्रेजेंट फॉर्म ही लेनी होगी. गॉट इट? सो नाउ लेट्स सी, I played, right? We started, you watched, they had, he saw, she did, it went. Now all of them are the V2 forms, right? Simple subject and the V2 form. Now how we are making its negative? Subjects, did not, that is didn't, and just see, V1 form is used. Why? Because we are using did. Got it? Same way with question. If our question is starting with did, then the main verb will be in first form, like did, subject, and all these are in again V1 form. Right? So just remember, with did, we always use the first form of the main verb in simple past sentences. I am repeating, simple past के sentences में हमें जब भी did use करना है, हम did के संग जो main verb, जो main work बता रहे हैं, it should be in first form, the present form. Okay? So let us scroll down and see what's next. Now see, they have given us some more examples. Let us study these. It will help us better. Use of do, does in present tense, we did that, right? So in present tense we use do and does. Does with singulars and do with plurals. Why we did that? सिंगुलर में प्लूरल और प्लूरल में सिंगुलर क्यों किया था सिंपल प्रेजेंट में? इट डजंट यूज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड दैट इज व्हाई ये अपने आप को बैलेंस करता है ना? तो विद सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट वी यूज अ प्लूरल वर्ब एंड व्हेन द सब्जेक्ट इज प्लूरल द वर्ब बिकम्स सिंगुलर. रिमेंबर दीज थिंग्स, ओके, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट. तो जहां पे वी वर यूजिंग डू एंड डज इन पास्ट टेंस वी विल यूज डिड. क्या यूज करेंगे पास्ट में? डिड. और यही तो अभी हमने पढ़ा है कि डिड इटसेल्फ इज सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ डू, है ना? मींस द पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ डू. तो जहां पास्ट फॉर्म ऑलरेडी आ रही है तो हमें दूसरी फॉर्म को पास्ट में डालने की जरूरत नहीं है. लेट्स सी दिस एग्जांपल्स. आई डोंट वॉच टेलीविजन वेरी ऑफन. नाउ दिस इज अ सेंटेंस ऑफ प्रेजेंट, राइट? व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज यूजिंग डू. Second, I didn't watch television yesterday. Now it is talking about past. Simple past and simple present. Third, does she often go away? Now we are using does means it is of which category? It is simple present. Did she go away last week? Means it is simple past. Just see the difference. Now see, we use did or did not plus infinitive, that is watch, play, go, etc. Okay, so let us see. They have given I watched, but I didn't watch. Not I didn't watched. They are telling the same thing which I said कि I watched is right. मैंने देखा. I didn't watch is right. मैंने नहीं देखा, because did के संग we have to use first form of verb, right? This is right. But never use V2 form with didn't. This will be wrong. यही तो हम इतनी देर से डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. Same way, they went. Did they go when we are making the sentence, question sentence? Not did they went. It is wrong. He had, he didn't have. You did you do? First form, right? I played tennis yesterday, but I didn't win. See, with did, they have used the first form. Did you do the shopping? No, I didn't have. Have is present form, and the past form of have is had. H-A-D. We went to the cinema, but we didn't enjoy the film. Again, enjoy is first form. So, now let's have a look at the word order in question sentence. How we can frame question sentences, right? So, we have studied that questions can be framed in two ways. One with the question word and one without the question word but with the help of helping verb, right? So let us consider this is not there, right? So if we are making a question with a helping verb, can we do it like this? Yes, na? Did your sister phone you? Did you do yesterday? Did you do? No, this doesn't make sense. Here we need a helping verb. What did you do yesterday evening? How did the accident happen? Where did your parents go for their holiday? Now what is the pattern? Here they have taken a question word, did, subject, and then the first form of the verb. Right? And questions like this one will have answers starting with yes or no. So just look at this. Short answers. Did you see Joe yesterday? No, I didn't. Did it rain on Sunday? Yes, it did. Did Helen come to the party? No, she didn't. Did your parents have a good holiday? Yes, they did. So these are all short answers. And now let us move to the next, that is the exercises, right? So children, I'll just explain you the exercises and you have to do them on your own. Complete these sentences with a verb in the negative. Means whatever verb is given to you, you have to put it in negative sense, right? I saw Barbara, but I didn't see Jane. So, this is the verb which they have used in negative sense, right? They worked on Monday. So, which is the verb here? Second form, worked. But we have to use negative, didn't work. What it will be? Didn't work. We went to the post office. Went is the second form of go. But we didn't go to the bank. Same way, she had a pen. Now, had is the second form of have, right? Or has. She had a pen, but she, should we write didn't or doesn't? Doesn't क्यों नहीं आ रहा है यहाँ? Doesn't कहाँ आता है? Does कौन सी फॉर्म है? किस टेंस की है? Does is a helping verb of present tense, right? तो हमें अक्सर ऐसा लगता है कि यार यहाँ पे तो does ज़्यादा अच्छे से बैठता है, but नहीं, it is not that. We are doing the simple past. So again, didn't. She had a pen, but she didn't have any paper. Jack did French at school. Did, done. But he didn't do German, right? Now, write questions with did. I watched TV last night. And you? Did you watch TV last night? Second, I enjoyed the party. And you? Did you enjoy the party? Not enjoyed, enjoy, right? I had a good holiday. And you? Did you have H-A-V-E, a good holiday? I finished work early. Did you finish? First form, work early. Fifth, I slept well last night. Did you sleep? S-L-E-E-P, because second form is slept. First form will be sleep. Did you sleep well last night? Got it? Okay. What did you do yesterday? Write positive or negative sentences. So here I leave this totally to you because you have to do it as per your choice. You can make a positive sentence or negative sentence. Okay. Now let's come to the next. Write B questions. B's questions and use. We went to New York last month. B question means the B ones. Where did you stay? With some friends. Okay? Means it is a short conversation. A और B के बीच में conversation है. A is saying something else, something, and then B is putting up a question, and then A is replying. Okay? So, I was late this morning. What time did you come? 9:30. तो ये question has to be according to this answer. Question frame करने से पहले answer देख लेना. It should be according to the answer, right? I played tennis this afternoon. No, I lost. Did you win? No, I lost. I had a nice holiday. Good. Where did you go? To the mountains. Got it? We came home by taxi. Answer should be 10 pounds. How much did it charge or cost? I am tired this morning. No, but I didn't sleep very well. Did you take rest? No, but I didn't sleep last night. Or some other question that you find is better. We went to the beach yesterday. Answer, yes, it was great. Did you enjoy? Yes. The window is broken. I don't know. How did it break? I don't know, right? Now last, I suppose, put the verb in the correction form. Positive, negative or question. As per the requirement. We went to the cinema, but the film wasn't very good. We didn't enjoy it. Tim dashed some new clothes yesterday. So, yesterday means it is a matter of past. So, past tense of buy is bought. So, we'll write Tim bought. Dash yesterday. No, it was a nice day. Did it rain yesterday, right? Did it rain yesterday. The party wasn't very good, so we stayed along. अच्छी नहीं थी तो हम stay करेंगे क्या? नहीं. We didn't stay long. Okay? It was very warm in the room, so I dashed a window. So I opened a window. Did you go to the bank this morning? No, I didn't have time. I cut my hand this morning. How did you do that? Got it? So, I think it's enough for today. And children, in the next video, in the next class, we will discuss our next topic. That will be our past continuous. And it is very simple. It is very, very similar to present continuous. Just a slight difference of the helping verb. So, today, I end up my video and my class here. Till then, thank you, children.